So before we get into the video, I just have a few things to say. I know this is very different to what I do usually, but yeah, this is the new style, I guess. So I have still not fucking figured out why the car is doing this. I've ordered a new throttle body. We've tried changing the spark plugs. We've tried everything we possibly could have done, and it just will not go away. I'm going to be installing the throttle body sometime this week, and hopefully that fixes the issue. If not, I'm probably going to crash out. I'm getting to the point where I'm about to start casting fucking spells at this car to try and get it to just drive. But yeah, enjoy the video. I swear these German cars eat oil like it's fucking gas. Oh. Alright, might as well be a mechanic. Alright, so what's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a little bit of a different one. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, me and this car are really going through it right now. It's just issue after issue after issue. I don't know if I've just hit that mileage where everything starts to fucking fall apart, or if I'm just really unlucky. Look at the RPM, you guys see that? See it like bouncing? You might be able to hear it. And I have no fucking idea what it is. I've replaced the spark plugs. I'm thinking the only other thing it could be is vacuum lines and ignition coils. When I'm giving it like a slight amount of gas, the RPMs are like bouncing back and forward. It feels like it's lurching back and forward. And I have no idea why. I can't find anything on forums. I'm lost. So I'm kind of just guessing. It's a nice Cadillac. Ooh, a V. So if you guys know what this could be, please let me know in the comments. Please. I would really appreciate it. We're just gonna pull over here so I can get a few sound clips for you guys. Wow, I parked like a fucking dumbass, but it's okay, I drive an Audi. Hopefully this bitch doesn't fall off, because that was really ruining my day. Alright, let's try and get a few runs in. So far it hasn't fallen off, so let's see how long she lasts. this bitch is still mounted to the car. If not, that's gonna be really rough. But look at that. That's what you love to see. Let's get a few revs in. God, this thing sounds so fucking good. But yeah, this is it for this video. It's just a quick update video for you guys, just to know what's happening, what's going on. But yeah, that's all I've got for you guys. Take care.